Georgia. After having examined Section 605 of the Criminal Procedure Code, it partially overturned the judgment of the 4 December 2009 in relation to Knox, Amanda, and Solicitor Rafael that have appealed it. The prosecutor states Knox Amanda is guilty of calumny, defamation, with the exclusion of the aggravating circumstance in the criminal code, and with the aggravating circumstance of the Article 98. Is condemned to 3 years of custodial sentence. And they have the legal costs, and she has to pay legal costs to Patrick via Lumumba, €22,000, 170, and to reimburse him for general expenses and accessories. It's acquitted. They are acquitted of offense of charges A, B, C, D, and with regards to E, please, because the fact didn't happen. So we have overturned. So Knox Amanda is free, and Solicitor Rafael as well. Please. Silence, please. Silence, please. We have 90 days to deliver the reasoning.
So as you just heard, as cheers erupt in the courtroom and the judge calls for silence, the murder conviction for Amanda Knox and her former boyfriend, Rafaela Solechito, have been overturned. She was only found guilty of defamation in order to pay legal fees back to Patrick Lumumba, who is someone who she had initially accused in this case.
Her former boss, and now the sentence reduced to 3 years, time already served. You can see her leaving the courtroom with security guards at her side. You heard a little bit of a reaction in the courtroom, and the judge asking for silence. Silence. So Amanda Knox will go back to jail. She will get her things, and she will return to the Pacific Northwest. She will return to Seattle. Rafaela Solechito, a free man as well. Let's go live now to Perugia, Italy. Lama Hassan is there for us right now. Lama?
Good evening. Well, it is the moment that Amanda Knox and Rafaela Solechito have been waiting for. Their families have been waiting for this verdict. As you said, now that she's acquitted, that's it. She's freed immediately. She just has to go to prison, collect her stuff. It's just a matter of formalities. Again, this is something that they have been waiting for. She's already spent 4 years behind bars. This appeal has been going on for 10 months. Now the wait and the verdict has come through and the wait is over.
Lama, do you have any idea on a timeline? How soon could Amanda be released from prison once she is there and has gathered her things?
Well, we're hearing it could take a matter of hours, or she could leave tomorrow. It really depends on how soon her parents finalize everything and how quickly they can organize her departure. But the fact that she's acquitted means that she's a free woman. She can leave immediately. She's just going to prison now. We continue teaching. I'm sure the vans passing us. We saw them going to the courthouse earlier today. Again, this is the moment that both Rafaela Solechito and Amanda Knox have been waiting for.
All right, Lama Hassan live in Perugia, Italy. Thank you very much. We want to focus now on downtown Seattle and Luke Ducey, who is going to join us live. The friends of Amanda Knox, sure to be celebrating this decision that was read in the last minute or so. Let's go live now to Luke. Luke?
Yeah, you can imagine this hotel suite at the Fairmont right now is jam-packed with friends of Amanda. There's a lot of movement. Cillian, we're live on Como 4 right now. You are erratic. We saw your reaction just a moment ago. You heard the decision by that jury that acquitted on all charges except for defamation. Amanda is on her way to jail, then to a plane back here to the States. Your reaction when that decision came down?
had only hoped for it, and it was incredible. I mean, it took a minute to actually absorb what had happened, and they finally got it right.
You've been waiting for this moment for years. Part of the emotion of today, and you've been here all night and all morning long, was watching Amanda address the court, address that jury today. She said, "I am not a murderer. I am not a rapist. I did not steal. I am innocent. I just want to come home." Your reaction to seeing her in front of the jury today when she spoke, so emotional.
I was so impressed by her, but I also could just tell the sense of relief in for her to be able to stand up in front of everybody and definitively declare her innocence and have a voice finally. And the same with Rob and his story about his bracelet and how he kept